Ever tried to iron out a wrinkled shirt only for it to wrinkle right back? Or watched water beads roll off a freshly waxed car? What's really going on at the tiny, invisible level? Those everyday moments are actually secret messages from the molecules themselves. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of molecular forces, the invisible, sticky stuff that holds molecules together and dictates how everything around us behaves, from breathing air to boiling water. Get ready to uncover chemistry's hidden superpowers. Imagine atoms as tiny solar systems with electrons buzzing around like planets. Sometimes all the electrons might briefly bunch up on one side, making that side a tiny bit negative and the other a tiny bit positive, just for a split second. This fleeting imbalance creates a super weak, temporary attraction to other molecules, called London dispersion forces. They're like shy, quick glances between strangers. Every single molecule has these, even nonpolar ones like oil. That's why when you try to mix oil and water, the oil molecules prefer to stick to themselves, and the water molecules, with their stronger connections, push the oil away, creating those separated layers we see. Now, what if some molecules are always a little lopsided? Think of a magnet with a constant positive and negative end. That's a polar molecule. When positive ends of one molecule are attracted to the negative ends of another, we get dipole-dipole forces. These are stronger than London forces, like a friendly handshake. Take acetone, the stuff that removes nail polish. It's polar, and it easily dissolves other polar molecules, like the chemicals in nail polish, because their dipoles happily chat with each other. This is why sugar, a polar molecule, dissolves so well in water. But wait, there's a superstar among molecular forces. Imagine a super strong, super special handshake. That's hydrogen bonding. This happens when hydrogen is directly connected to very greedy atoms like oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine. Think of water, H2O. The hydrogen atoms are practically glued to the oxygen. Because of hydrogen bonding, water can do some pretty amazing things. It's why water has a surprisingly high boiling point for such a small molecule, or why ice floats instead of sinks, which is super important for aquatic life. These forces are also the secret behind why DNA, the blueprint of life, holds its famous double helix shape. Without these strong, specific attractions, life as we know it wouldn't exist. So, whether it's oil and water separating, nail polish coming off, or even how our bodies work, these invisible forces, London dispersion, dipole-dipole, and hydrogen bonding, are constantly at play, shaping our world in amazing ways. They're the silent architects of matter, and understanding them helps us unlock so many mysteries. Think you've got it? Which type of force is present in all molecules? What's special about hydrogen bonding? And why does a drop of oil stay separate from water? Drop your answers in the comments and click here to dive deeper into our next chemistry adventure.